Guys, everybody smile for the camera. Say what a wonderful time we're having in Alaska.
It's super. Soft rain, liquid sunshine, it's lovely, every day.
I hope you don't decide to change the campsite.
Pete, this is not what you told me it would be like. Well, when I signed up, that's not what you said it would be like.
You've got a Scott version and a Shackleton version here.
Alright, well, let's just see what version we have.
Fuck, you lay down in the grass and close your eyes, not a good sign.
Don't let them badger you because they're looking on you. Turn their weight around there. That easy to do.
Where's Graham?
You got more shoes.
Hi Graham.
Hello.
Where's Angie? Angie gives away. Where are you?
With experience on the video, you know. What is the story you told us about what you did earlier?
About his poo experience. Well, tell the world about Graham's poo experience.
I'm a little bashful guy. I think what happens on tour should stay on tour.
Graham shared with the rest of the group earlier how he dumped on a flat stone and tossed it into our lagoon. I mean,
at this point I should add that I have a master's degree in environmental management. I have
he didn't toss it very far, by all accounts.
responsibility.
It was a very girly toss, wasn't it?
Most ecologically friendly ways of defecating in the wilderness to the group. So that was part of research and development.
Thank you, Graham.
And then he burnt the paper with petrol.
It's very satisfying log, though. You want to see that? With a big splash.
you say log or log?
Both.
Did they both come down together?
Oh yeah, it was well stuffed.
I think you should take up the camera.
No shit put. You see,
Considerably,
this is definitely more.
you don't get this kind of conversation like at the Christmas dinner, do you?
No, you do not. No.
We kind of had it
A
at
couple of days.
country's meal earlier.
Definitely more Shackleton strip than a
You don't
Scott strip.
remember? No. You shared your experience in Rossnada with us.
Oh, did it? Oh, right. We'll talk about that
All right. A year ago, you got a paddled home.
I'm still thinking about it.
It's character building. It is, honestly. It's character building.
Then make it a compass.
Yeah.
Give me a compass, I'm on my way.
And I'm not giving you your share in the bear stuff.
Bear stuff. Mary, that cost a fortune. I'm taking that home with me.
Point out somewhere
Oh, hold it up. Counter assault. Bear deterrent. Cheap at half the price.
See, I'm convinced that. That's it, Mary. I'm convinced that. Do you remember when we got out at Anchorage and you seen the size of that bear? It would take it off me, shove it up my arse, let it off, and use that just to taste me. As a flavour. It was enormous. But there you go. You're happy with it.
He was a record breaker.
Well, even tonight, this is going down a bit
Not with the family movie.
Just that, and the big wind again.